Hey, my fellow ambitious go-getters. I know you've been searching for a smart way to make money online, and guess what? Today, I'm spilling the beans on the laziest, most kick-ass method out there. Picture this. You're gonna make money without being in front of a camera, without creating products or courses, and without burning a hole in your wallet with upfront investments. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's about to become your reality. So, what's the secret sauce? It's this. High payout partner product meet high leverage traffic sources. It's a match made in money-making heaven. Trust me, this is the sweetest setup for beginners. Alright, first things first. Let's find your money-making match. Open a Google Doc and start writing down everything you're interested in. Could be hobbies, stuff you love watching or reading. Fill that list up with at least 10 things. Now, hold on to your hats. I've got a little secret weapon to unleash here. See, I'm gonna show you a list of things. Magic things, really. That are making people serious cash online. Check this out. What you gotta do is find the juicy overlap between your interests and these magical niches. Cross out what doesn't match and voila. You've got your winning ticket to Cash Town. Okay, now comes the real fun, the dough-making part. You ready for this? We're gonna partner up with products that offer high payouts. Ka-ching! First is ClickBank. And then, Digistore24. These portals are gonna hook you up with products that can fetch you a sweet $500 or more per sale. Yeah, you heard that right. You won't be grinding away for pennies. It's time for the real deal. Now, get this. It's the laziest part, and I love it. Sign up for these platforms, choose your product, and click Promote. Boom! You'll get a magic link. A link that's gonna shower you with cash. Just like magic, right? Alright, my rock stars. It's time to conquer YouTube. You ready to be the next big thing on the platform? First things first. You gotta formulate your ideas, and I've got a little hack for that. We're gonna spy on the big shots, the top 3 channels in your niche. See what videos are rocking the views, jot down their top 10 videos each. That's a whopping 30 ideas to get you started. Now, this part requires a teensy bit of elbow grease. But trust me, it's worth it. Take those ideas, rewrite them in your own words, and make sure they're unique. Use a tool called Copyscape to keep it squeaky clean. Nobody likes a copycat. Now, it's time to jazz things up. Grab some freebies from Flaticon and Pixabay.com to give your videos that pro touch. And here's a golden secret. You can use OBS to record your screen and go through your magical slideshow. Oh, but wait. If you're feeling extra lazy, hire a voiceover artist from Fiverr or Upwork. Yeah, you can be the boss without even talking. The real deal? You gotta do this just 1 day a week. You heard that right. Record all your videos in a day, schedule them to go out, and boom. You've got a money-making machine on your hands. And now my amigos, let's talk money. Lots and lots of money. This is where the magic really happens. Imagine this. You'll have 144 videos up and running in a year. each video pulling in a sweet 1,000 views per month. That's 144,000 views. And here's the kicker. Just a tiny fraction of those viewers, let's say 0.0004, jump on your magic link and make a purchase. It might sound small, but trust me, it's life-changing. If your chosen product sells for $500, bam! That's $29,000 per month in your pocket. Can you feel the rush, my friends? But hey, that's just the beginning. You keep at it, scale things up, and you'll be living that lazy yet lavish lifestyle in no time. Delegate, hire a team, and be the true boss because you deserve it. Alright, my rock stars. That's the laziest, most lucrative way to make money online. And I know you've got what it takes. For my favorite high-paying product and leveraging traffic using AI, check the link in the description. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and join the money-making party. Oh, but wait! I've got some juicy bonus tips for you. The secret sauce that'll catapult your lazy money-making game into the stratosphere. Bonus tip number 1, the lazy money magnet. We're talking about recurring revenue. Think about it. Products that charge a monthly fee. Get people hooked, and you'll be getting paid month after month like clockwork. Imagine this. Your chosen product has a juicy monthly subscription. You promote it once, and it keeps stuffing your bank account month after month. Lazy and lucrative. A match made in money heaven. Bonus tip number 2, software sorcery. Alright, listen up. If your niche is tech-related, here's a secret weapon. Screen recordings. Yup, you don't have to be a tech guru. Just use OBS to record yourself navigating through software. And there's more. You can even make whiteboard animation videos using a cool tool called VideoScribe. This wizardry will leave your viewers mesmerized. Bonus tip number 3, the boss move. Once that lazy cash starts rolling in, you know what you gotta do. Delegate like a true boss. Hire people to handle the stuff you don't fancy. Writing, editing, thumbnail making, you name it. This way, you can focus on the things that matter most, making those connections and expanding your empire. And remember, my friend, it's your vision, your brand. So make it big. Alright, rock stars. You've got the keys to the lazy money kingdom. I've shown you the path, and now it's up to you to grab that opportunity with both hands. It's your time to shine. Get out there, hit that record button, and unleash your magic on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the other side of that lazy success story.